What's up YouTube, it's Chucky from 1921 Print Shop, and we forgot to do an intro for this video, but in this video we're basically going to be showing you how we operate the embroidery machine. So right now we have an order of 50 shorts, and you're going to see how I actually bracket the garments, what goes into it, how we got to use a stabilizer to make sure the needle won't just be all messy over the garment and the artwork come out good. So that's what you're going to see in this video. Right here, I am bracketing the garment, getting it ready to go into the embroidery machine. You guys didn't see the first step, but you will see it on the second garment that I do. Right now, I'm just adding the top of the bracket. This is just to secure the stabilizer in the bottom of the bracket, and then it's ready to go to the embroidery machine. Now, this is the first step of doing the bracketing. I put the bottom of the bracket, then the stabilizer. Remember, the stabilizer is to make sure that the actual embroidery comes out clean and crispy. It keeps it in place. It stabilizes it. Now we're going into bracketing the garment into the embroidery machine. When you bracket, you want to make sure that it's clamped in. See, making it clamped in. Then you want to look back there and make sure that it's a tube right there. You want to make sure that the garment is actually over the tube. That way it's not stitching both of the top and the bottom of the garment together. Once you do that, you just hit the green button. Then it's ready to go. This embroidery machine embroiders about 1,000 stitches a minute. As you can see, this design has around 2,800 stitches, and you can see it counting up where it's doing about 1,000 stitches a minute. Right here is our hoop master. We use this one for when we're doing t-shirts or hoodies. That's the stabilizer. That's what goes in between the top and the bottom of the bracket to keep the embroidery stabilized. And you can see it right there. And then once we take off the bracket, we give it to our cutters, and they cut out the stabilizer and clean up the embroidery so the customer can have a finished piece. Our machine, it holds 12 different thread colors. So it allows us to be able to do very colorful designs without having to change any threads. Right here, what I'm doing is a shortcut of changing the thread colors. What I do is I wanted to change red and a green. I will cut it, and then I will tie a knot. Then I'll come to the bottom of the embroidery machine, and I'll just drag it through as I'm doing right here, and you will see the color change. Once you see the color change to the new color you're trying to do, you just clip it. Then it's only one little hole that you have to go through, and then all you have to do is thread it through the needle, and it's as simple as that, without having to thread the whole machine. Hello. No, I'm just playing. So what she's doing right here is she's removing the stabilizer from the shorts, and she's going to clean it up to make it look real nice for our customers. Just like that. Look at her. Amazing. So she has the scissors. We use big scissors for this part when we're cutting the stabilizer. So we just cut real close to the design because we want to have a little amount of stabilizer on there as possible to make it look very professional and have a real clean look, not only on the outside, but on the inside as well. So right here, what I'm doing is I'm cleaning up the top um, of the stitches with my little scissors, and this is making it really clean by taking out all the little small little stitches that you really can't see from far back, but up close um, you can see it. So we're just cleaning that up just to making it look as perfect as possible. And this is basically the last step that we do. And then after this, it's all about just presentation. So we just fold them all together and make it look good.